Oh, I look dark as hell. Hold on. Okay, look at welcome to the episode of Damn TV. This is Ash Reactor back with another video, and we are back with unboxing today's package. I know I've been slacking on the videos, but I've been getting any good stuff lately, and I'm a little depressed. But I'm back, and we got some stuff for unboxing today's package. We got some from Social Nature and Pinchme. So let's start with Social Nature. Social Nature is like the less of the load. So let's see. Okay, I see like some nuggets. And I see like potato skin, like a potato skin type thing. This is some Social Nature. So these are coupons for Alpha Foods, free Alpha Food burrito, a buy one burrito, get one free, a $1 on any Alpha Food product. There's available a Giant, Stop and Shop, and Food Lion. Didn't know they. Because I remember them contacting me about this, but I didn't get the stuff, so I was like, forget it. So it's a post tag win, enter for a chance to win a freezer's worth of Alpha Foods. Okay, so this is pretty nice. You can pause the video and take a second to, check it out. Give y'all some time for that. But yeah, so these are some good coupons. I don't know if I'm going to be going to Giants, but I've been to Food Lion for so long. It is what it is on that. So now we got Pinchme, my favorite. So I don't have my trusty tools them downstairs. I'm getting ready to cook. So let's see what we got today. Ooh, that's it for the box. Ooh, so we got Slim Fast Diabetic Weight Loss peanut butter cup. That's nice. Then we got some Haribo Gold Bears, gummy bears, my favorite. I love gummy bears. Then we got Life's Grape Vine Dried Grapes in Dark Chocolate. And it says Raisin Revamp. Don't those look cool? And then last but not least, we got something from Real Greens. This is the AG cookbook, which is 8 greens made from real greens. Contains one effervescent tablet. So it's like a dietary supplement here. It's a huge tablet, and you like put it. I guess you put this in your drink. Do you put it in your drink or something? Let's see if we can read the directions. Yep, it says you can put it in your drink and allow it to dissolve. And it says that one tablet, you do 1 tablet per day. So I like this one. So it contains 6 cups of spinach, which is B6. 6 oranges, which is vitamin C, of course. B12, 7 cups of milk, zinc, 3 cups of raw peas, B5, which is 15 cups of broccoli. So we got spinach, kale, spirulina, chlorella, barley grass, blue-green algae, aloe vera, and wheatgrass. And this is the person who makes this. Really nice. So we got some good stuff. These are celebrities. You want to pause and take a look at that. These are celebrities that actually love this. Just some cool propaganda. I don't know if they got a coupon with this, but I guess this is all of it. But yeah, this is a pretty good batch. Shout out to Pinchme and Social Nature for the awesome batch today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share the video. This one's pretty short. Click the notification bell. We'll be notified of all my videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Enjoy your Valentine's Day weekend.